Generally, digital marketing is taught on PowerPoint presentation and PDF. However, at learnthedigital.com, our priority is practical application. We allow our students to work on real client projects. This gives them a great hands-on system.
CPM, cost per impression.
Facebook ads.
The best place to learn search engine optimization.
Facebook analytics.
Learn social engineering.
Learn Google Analytics.
Pay-per-click, cost per click.
CPA, cost per action. Learn Google AdSense.
Learn how to make a website without coding on WordPress.
Affiliate marketing.
PPC, CPC.
Work on real client projects, real-time analysis, and hands-on system with practical applications. Learn how LinkedIn works, SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, and email marketing.
Become a Google certified digital marketing expert. Learn social media management.
Get Learn the Digital certificate on completion.
What are you waiting for? Learn from digital experts. Visit our website www.learnthedigital.com and apply now.